Hello, and thank you for opening this video. This means that you're one of my valued clients. I'm getting this video out to you today, and hopefully a couple during the year, just to give you an update on the market, rates, and what's going on. It's impossible to call you all now and let you know how many changes are happening because there's so much going on. So really we'll start with thank you for using Zep Finance, and I would like it if you'd share this video with any of your family and friends just to give them an idea what's going on as well. So first of all, the Royal Commission and what's been going on in lending is certainly changing the landscape and how lenders assess loans. As an example, for every one of the deals I'm putting through now, I have 2 more hours of compliance than I had 4 months ago. And that's not going to change. It's probably going to continue getting with more compliance and more information I've got to provide. From 6 months ago, we're probably providing 50% extra documentation to the lenders than we were at the start of the year. So that's an example of just some of the things that are changing at the moment. So with extra documentation, lenders are starting to look at all of your bank accounts. Even if they're not refinancing, they're looking at your savings account. They're looking how you're spending. So for all you self-employed clients out there, make sure your general living expenses are going through your bank accounts. For everybody else, make sure you're controlling your spending if you're wanting to do anything with finances for at least a couple of months before we're going to have a look at your loans. We all know that there's been big changes with interest only and principal and interest repayments on loans. Lenders have automatically put up interest only interest rates quite a lot. So a lot of you who are on an interest-only fixed rate, when that comes off, we could see a sharp jump in the actual interest rate. What we've got to do is we've got to make sure that what is the principal and interest rate if we paid principal and interest? If we're paying a little bit of that loan off, is it actually going to be better for us in the long run? We'll save a lot on the interest and maybe only cost us a little bit of the cash flow. For a lot of the investment clients out there who have a lot of interest-only loans coming up soon, it's certainly something that we're following and seeing what's going to be the best option for you. I guess the other thing, when you've got a lot of loans, your borrowing capacity has changed a lot now. So you may not be able to afford the loans that you could in the past due to the changes that everything the lenders have brought in. So I guess really what I'm giving you this video for is just to give you a little bit of an update of the landscape and what things are happening. Now really, rates are changing so much that sometimes lenders are changing them and I'm not understanding that they're putting your rates up. So I also want you all to have a look at your interest rates. If you're in your own home, the rate should be low 4s or even into the 3s. For interest only for your own home, it will be a tiny little bit higher than that, probably about mid 4s. If you've got an investment property and you're paying principal and interest, the rate should be low to mid 4s. And if you've got an interest only rate, and you're probably expecting mid 4s to 5. There are some better deals out there now. They are starting to drop back a bit. So have a look at your rates. If you think they're a little bit higher than they should be, please give us an email and we'll look into that for you and see what we can do. So as always, we are keeping in contact when fixed rates and all those sort of terms are coming up. If you ever want to have a chat, we are always here for you. Welcome to give me a call or an email and we can see what we can do for you. I don't want to make this too long, so we'll keep a couple more coming. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of Zep Finance. One more thing I just wanted to let you know, we have got an amazing website out there that for all your friends, family members and even yourselves to learn a little bit more. Now if you jump on the website, there's 2 tabs at the top. There's a Learn tab and there's also the Video tab. On the Learn tab, you'll find all of our fact sheets, there's a blog, there's calculators. On the Video tab, there's probably 20 to 25 videos at the moment that will teach you from everything about your credit file to cross securitization. Thank you for watching this. As I said, you're welcome to share it with any of your friends and family, and I look forward to talking to you all again soon. Thank you.